ga dubara cika ciki idan kana jiwa ba cikin kayan aiki ba amma bai hana ta nema aiki dan wannan dubara ba kullun take bullewa ba wataran kai aikata ka samu kai nasara wataran kuma kai aikata ka shaka shi wannan bidiyo ya ban dariya ku duba ku gani
Oh,
I'm not too much. Come on. Okay, come here. I will slap you. Come on. You must eat this food. What do they put for inside my food? I beg, Bikonu. Okay, you must eat this food. Come. What do they put for inside my food? You must eat this food. They eat the food. What do you want to? That they eat the food. Okay, you must eat this food. What do they put for my food? I don't do anything. Okay, eat this food. No tracing. You must eat this food. Child. I just wash my hand. I just put some. I don't know what something I'm going to put. I supply.
5 years of madness.
Yeah. Each time you go die. This guy there. You must give me this food. What? Okay. That's what they do. This guy there. You know, I go. Yeah, that's how. Come on, you can't press it. Man, I see wahala for this kind of work. For nowhere, huh? Now, man,
something will kill a man.
Don't cry. Don't cry. Hey, come on.
Mombari nanga. Kasongo mbona we songa libala.
This one.
Oh yeah. Songo mbona we.
Hunger will do person like this.
You chop the meat.
You must lick the soup. This soup you must lick that. I swear. Now who born you? I go tear your face. You think I they laugh?
Okay. They chop the food. Hey, they chop the food. You know if you. Hey. That one. Hey, what?
Something will kill a man.
Don't cry. Don't cry. 70 years old man.
Lega, wani aiki. Allah ya samu dace.